Tuesday, August 6, 2024. We're going to show you how to use a dishcloth properly. This is a dishcloth. Some people are like, oh, I don't like that. It's all moldy. It gets dirty. So this is how you're going to double sterilize it. You're going to put a little bit of chlorine bleach in there. Some people just like using these things. These are not sustainable. They go in the landfill. They got that plastic container. Or they use paper towels, which is also unsustainable. This you can reuse and wash and clean and sterilize over and over and over again. So you get your pan of boiling water. And if you look, it says right under, it only kills 99.9%. What about that other 0.1%? Huh? You want that? I wouldn't want that on my conscience. All right, well, our water is boiling here. See that rapidly boiling water? You're going to put a little bit in the bowl. You're going to add this washcloth, dishcloth, a little. Now we're going to add a little more. Now we've got chlorine in there and we've got boiling water. And we're killing two birds with one stone because this bowl that the dog drank her milk out of needs to be cleaned as well. So, oh, look how good that's coming. See the nasty water in there? And this is going to kill all of your viruses 100%, not that stupid 99.9. I hate those things. When you wipe off the counter with that, with those, and they got a residue, a film, a contamination. You want to use this for your food. I don't. All right, so we're going to take some more rapidly boiling water again and rinse. Lather, rinse, repeat. Oh, sorry, I did that on the wrong side. Block it. Woo! Ow! Be careful, because it will burn your fingers. So we're going to do this again and again. And this is actually probably going to be cleaner. Ow! Ow! And more sterilized than it would be if you put it in the wash for, an hour and did a load of wash. So there's no reason to have a stinky dish rag. There's no reason to use those wipes. There's no reason to use unsustainable paper towels. Do this over and you can rinse it. I'll cool it off a little bit. You got water right there, so if you start to burn your fingers, good. Oh yeah, that smells good. That smells really good and fresh. Thanks. Hope you appreciate this. Like, sub, share, and hit the notification bell, and hit my PayPal. Cut.